Very good morning, my dear students, and welcome back in St. Joseph's Academy's online classes. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of your health. Today we will discuss part 3 of chapter 7, A, N and the. As we have already learned all the rules and things we need to take care of while using a, an and the, today we will solve all the exercises of chapter 7, plus we will do some of the recap of what we have already studied. So without delay, let's start the class. Now we will have a quick recap of a, an or the or articles. What we call a, an and the? Articles. So what is article? Article is a part of adjective. There are 3 articles in English. How many articles? 3 articles. And what are they? A, an and the. Now these articles are divided into 2 parts. How many parts? 2 parts. The first is indefinite article. Indefinite articles कौन कौन से होते हैं बच्चों? A and N. A and N are called indefinite article. Now, where do we use A? Yes, we use A if the word starts with a consonant. For example, he is a boy. Sam is a doctor. Here boy starts with B and doctor starts with D and both are consonants. So we have used here article A. Use N if the word starts with a vowel. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels in English language. And the example are, I saw an elephant. There is an orange in the bag. So here elephant starts with E and orange starts with O and both are vowels. That's why we have used here article N. Second is definite article. What is definite article, students? The. The is definite article. Use the before singular, countable और common noun. किसके साथ यूज करते हैं हम the? Countable यानी कि जिसको काउंट किया जा सके, गिना जा सके, common noun के साथ, गिने जा सकने वाले common noun के साथ. Examples are, the Ganga is a holy river. Ganga is the name of the river. So we have used article the. The monkey is funny animal. So monkey is a common noun. So and countable also. We can count monkeys, na? 2 are there, 4 are there, 6 are there. So it's a countable common noun. That's why we have used article the in front of it. So now you understood? Articles are a, an and the. Articles are divided into 2 parts, indefinite article and definite article. A and N are called indefinite article. The is called definite article. Right? So, this is definite article the. And where do we use the? The refers to specific or particular nouns. जो स्पेशल या कुछ पर्टिकुलर नाउन्स होते हैं उनके लिए हम आर्टिकल द का यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया इन फ्रंट ऑफ काउंटेबल कॉमन नाउन और सम स्पेशल मॉन्यूमेंट्स और holy religious books in front of the names of the newspapers and magazines, mountains, the sun, the moon, the star, unique things. In front of all these things we use article, definite article the. Now here are some examples of the definite article the. Here we have used article the. I enjoyed participating in the volleyball competition. So the above sentence refers to a particular or specific competition. यहाँ हम एक particular competition की बात कर रहे हैं जिसका नाम है volleyball competition. We are not talking about any competition. We are talking about a specific volleyball competition. That's why we have used the definite article the here. I enjoyed watching the show. Here sentence refers to a particular or specific show. अगर हम लिखते I enjoyed watching a show, so it could be any show. किसी भी शो के लिए मुझे एक शो देखना पसंद है. But if I'm writing I enjoyed watching the show, it means I'm talking about a particular or specific show. एक स्पेशल शो की बात कर रहे हैं. That's why we have used article the here. Now use of a, n. I have already told you about it, but once more I will repeat. Where do we use a and n? A and n are called indefinite articles. क्या बोलते हैं a और n को बच्चों? We call them indefinite articles. It refers to a non-specific noun. Non-specific means when we are talking about something in common. जब हम किसी नॉर्मल किसी जनरल चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं, not about something special or particular. For example, the children are playing a game outdoors. बच्चे क्या खेल रहे हैं? एक गेम खेल रहे हैं बाहर. So it refers to any game. यहाँ हमने ये नहीं बोला कि बच्चे हाइड एंड सीक खेल रहे हैं या बच्चे कैरम खेल रहे हैं या बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, राइट? वी आर सेइंग अ गेम. It can be any game. So this is a non-specific noun. In the same way, the second example is the artist is painting a picture. Here it refers to any picture. If we say the artist is painting the Mona Lisa, the artist is painting the lady, so we are using the, क्योंकि हम किसी specific person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. But when we are saying the artist is painting a picture, it means we are talking about any picture. कोई भी picture जो artist paint कर रहा है, हाँ? We are talking about a non-specific noun. So we use article a and n with a non-specific noun plus what I told you earlier. We use a with consonants and we use n with vowels. I hope you have understood the use of articles now. Now this is time for book work. What we do in book, kids? All the exercises I give you that we do in our English grammar book and some we do in our English grammar copy. So the work I am going to teach you now is book work. That's why I have given it the heading book work. ये सारा काम हम कहाँ पर करेंगे? We will do this in our English grammar book chapter 7. Now this is the first exercise of chapter 7 which is given on page number 47. Read the following words carefully. Put a or n in the blanks. Pictures are given. Name of the pictures are written. And according to that we have to fill a or n. Amoeba starts with a, so we will write n. Boy starts with b. B is a consonant, so we will write a. Cat starts with c, so we will write a. Duck starts with d. Again we will write a. Urn starts with u, so we will write n because with the vowels we use n. Violin starts with v, so we will write a. Web starts with w, so we will write a. Xerox starts with x, so we will write a. Instrument starts with I, so we will write N. Joker starts with J, so we will write A. Kangaroo starts with K, so we will write A. Ladder starts with A, L, so we will write A. Mountain start with M, so we will write A. Nest start with N, so we will write A. Owl starts with O, so we will write N. Peacock starts with A, P. So we will write article A because P is a consonant. So here with the vowels we have used N, and with the consonants we have used article A. This is the continuation of the same exercise which was given on page number 47. This is the part of that exercise and it is given on page number 48. Queen. Queen starts with Q. So we will write article A here. Rabbit. Rabbit starts with R. So we will write A here. Soldier starts with S. So we will write A here. Telephone starts with T. So here also we will write A. Engineer starts with E. E is a vowel, so we will use article N here. Fan starts with F. So we will write A here. Girl starts with G. So we will write A here. House starts with H. Again we will write A. Yak starts with Y. So we will use A. Zebra starts with Z. So we will use article A. Why? Because with the consonants we use article A and with the vowels we use article N. Same exercise I have written in words because in exam maybe we don't give the pictures. So it's an amoeba, an urn, an instrument, a mountain, a queen, an engineer, a boy, a violin, a joker, a nest, a rabbit, a fan, a yak, a cat, a web, a kangaroo, an owl, a soldier, a girl, a zebra, a duck, a xerox, a ladder, a peacock, a telephone, a house. What we have done here? We have used article A in front of consonants and N in front of vowels. This is our next exercise, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with A, N or the. This is given on page number 48. Here we have to use A, N or the according to the situation. We saw an eagle in the sky because in the eagle, E is a vowel. Number 2, have you read the Bible? Here we have used article the because Bible is the name of a religious holy book. Number 3, I ate an egg and a slice of bread for breakfast. Egg starts with E and slice starts with S. So in front of vowel we have used N and in front of consonant we have used A. Number 4, the earth goes around the sun. Earth and sun both are heavenly bodies and we use article the in front of them. Number 5, I have a bow and an arrow. Here bow starts with B and arrow starts with A. So we will use article A and N accordingly. Number 6, I bought an umbrella and a pair of shoes. Umbrella starts with U and pair starts with P. So U is vowel and P is consonant. So we have used article N with vowel and A with consonant. Number 7, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Again apple starts with A, so we have used article N. Number 8, I have never seen an igloo. Igloo starts with I. I is a vowel, so we have used article N here. He loves to play the guitar. Guitar starts with G, and here we are talking about a particular instrument which he loves to play. So we have used article the here. There is a bird in the nest. Bird starts with B, so we have used article A because B is a consonant. This also we will complete in our English grammar book. This is exercise D. Tick the correct option. This is given on page number 49. Here we have to tick at the correct option because two options are given for every line. He is an doctor. Doctor starts with D. D is a consonant. So here we will tick A. She is an intelligent girl. An. Intelligence starts with I. I is a vowel, so we will tick here N. He is an policeman. Policeman starts with P. P is a consonant, so we will tick here A. This is an expensive dress. Expensive starts with E. E is a vowel, so we will use here article N, and we will tick article N. Now this is time for copy work. Why we are calling it copy work? Because this work we will write in our English grammar copy. That's why I have written here copy work. So exercise C given on page number 49 we will do in our English grammar copy. This is your copy work. In this exercise we will circle the mistakes and then rewrite them correctly. हम उन्हें दोबारा से लिखेंगे. My brother has a black eagle. N should not be here, so we have circled it. And the correct answer is my brother has a black eagle because black starts with B and B is a consonant. Number 2, the moon travels around our earth. With the heavenly bodies, we always use definite article the. So we will say the moon travels around the earth. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. A is wrong here, so we will say the Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. We have used here the because with the historical monuments we use definite article the. Number 4, the Times of India is an English newspaper. Here A is wrong. The Times of India is an English newspaper. Why? Because English starts with E and E is a vowel. Number 5, a young woman meets an old man. A is wrong here. A young woman meets an old man because old starts with O and O is a vowel. Number 6, she ate an egg with a spoon. Here A is wrong. The correct answer is she ate an egg with a spoon. This is time for homework. You have to complete all the exercise in your English grammar book and complete exercise C, page 49 in your grammar copy. I have already instructed you about what work you have to do and where you have to do. Do it accordingly. For today, kids, I have already told you anything what we have learned today. Today we have learned the use of definite and indefinite article an and the. I hope you have understood the concept well. You can watch this video again for the revision. We'll meet again with the next video of chapter 8. Till then, take care of yourself, study well, play well, wash your hands and take care of your health. Bye-bye.